Insert the micro SD card into your GoPro 6 Hero Black. So in this video I'm going to show you how to insert and remove the micro SD card. The micro SD card slot is just beneath here, right next to the battery. So just push in the button and slide this one out. So push it in, then slide it out. Now you can see there is a slot right here. That's where you put the SD card in. Now a lot of the people making a mistake is when they put in the micro SD card, they put it in between the batteries and the SD card slot. So be careful not to put it in between. Make sure that you put it right in the right place. The best way to do it is make sure that you pull the battery out so that gives you more visibility. Once you have more visibility, then you can record when you can insert the micro SD card. So make sure the metal contact is facing down, away from the screen. So this way, if you look at the screen and the micro SD card, you want to insert it in that way and push it in. It should click into play. There is a small spring inside, so you can feel. So if you push it down, it will spring back out like so. So always remove the battery and then insert the SD card. That way it will be a lot easier and you don't make a mistake of sliding into the wrong slot. Now if you look here, there is a slot there. Some people actually slide it into this slot with force, and what happened, it will break some of the components or the circuit inside in between here, and that can sometimes damage the screen, the LCD, make it not work, or the batteries get damaged or the SD card get damaged and it gets stuck right in there. And it's really hard to get it out. Even if you try to get a toothpick or whatever it is, once it's stuck somewhere in there, it's really hard to get it out. So make sure that this SD card go in this slot here with the metal contact facing down this way. Push it in, so you don't need to use any force, just a tiny bit, and push it in and it stays into place. To remove it, push it in and pull it out. So again, I remind you that do take the battery out when you do this, so it's just a lot easier. And then you can always, after that, you can always put the battery back in. And that's it. So now you can see it sits right there. So you can see how when the battery is in, it's a lot harder. So there it is. So you can see when the battery is in, it's a bit hard to see where you're putting your SD card in. And that's it. And then we just close the cover. So while we push in, just press on the hole and then slide it in. So there you go. Make sure it goes all the way in to prevent from the water from coming in. If you go underwater, then this cap here, this cover needs to push all the way in. And that's it. That's how you can insert or remove an SD card onto your GoPro 6 Hero. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.